Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the hiccup earlier. I don't know why my video doesn't have any audio. So now I just want to cut short on this weekly review. If you watched through the previous week one, we actually did 3 forecasts. The first one is actually on the long at 2022 to 2025. Okay, the second forecast is actually to do a short at 2029 and 2041. Okay. The third forecast that I meant last week is to do a short here at 2047 to 2049. Unfortunately, this zone has never reached, so we're just going to ignore this. So I will start with the forecast number 2 that I met last week. Okay, I'll bring you uh, straight to the chart. Okay, if you really watch the video that I have shared last week or the week before for the forecast, I did mention that when the market open, you can look for a rejection and do for a short here. Okay, so I did mention that I anticipate you have a correction here. So this is exactly what happened. This is the rejection. Okay, bearish engulfing. You can do a 35 pips and TP is about 70 pips, 1 to 2, or even you can write down all the way for 1 to 4. Okay, so this is the first winning trade. If you are risking 2%, you're getting 4% already. Okay, the second zone that I forecast is actually here. Okay, so you can see when the price reaches this zone, there is a engulfing candle here. Okay, so this is a bullish engulfing. So the risk is you can put 20 or 25. The reward is 40. So you are risking 2%, you are getting another 4%, total 8%. Okay. So with 2 trades, you're actually achieving 8% is more than enough already for 1 week. Okay. So you want to be aggressive trader and you wish to trade further. So you just wait for this one. Okay. This is a fake out, but this will be a very long trade. So if I already have 2 winning trades, I won't took this trade because by looking at it, you see you are going to reach 100 pips and aim for 200 pips. You cannot guarantee that you achieve that. Okay, but well, if you retake, you actually achieve the TP. Okay, but that's not so realistic because we are as a day trader, we don't take risks like 100 pips. Okay, this is the 2 zones that I forecast. So when the price come back to this zone again, you can actually look for confluences. Do not do a limit sell here, but very obvious here is a bearish engulfing and it is weakening. The MACD is weakening. So the risk is 50 and then you can aim for 100 pips. Okay, so this is another winning trend. So again, the price come back down to this zone again. So what you can do is this is an engulfing. So you can actually do a long here. Okay, 35 or 40 pips. It's okay. So you still get 1 to 2. So you have opportunity at 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 winning trades here. Okay. So with the right strategy, you can actually make a good profit. You don't need to be that aggressive to do 4 trades. Even 2 trades, you're getting 8% is more than enough for you to pass the funded account challenge, which I've proven that I passed the phase 1 of the challenge. Okay, so well, you see here is a equal low, and then here is another higher low. So this is a hidden bullish divergence. So but then it's a weekend, we don't hold trade over weekend, so we will not take this trade lah. So we'll see how it moves in the coming week. Okay, that's all for the review of the trades that we've taken last week. So if you follow the rules strictly with discipline, you should be making a good profit here. Okay, going to the next topic, which is to forecast on the upcoming trend. Okay, for the upcoming week. So yes, we are just a day trader. We don't really bother about weekly chart, but what I want to highlight here is actually you can see that the weekly chart and CD is a really dead cross, and then obviously here is a higher high, but here is making a higher low, a lower high, sorry, lower high. So here is actually a divergence, so please be careful on this. Okay, I would like to dive into the lower time frame. What I want to highlight here is just there's a potentially a huge correction which is coming, but overall the trend is still a uptrend. So this could be a potential correction coming down here. We don't know, but that doesn't matter. We only find the area of interest within the area of the week, and then we will prepare for the setup for upcoming week. Okay. So this is zone that I've drawn just now, but unfortunately that video doesn't have any audio, so I will just explain through. As you can see here, here is a big trend line that cannot be break through. Even there's a fake out here, okay? So this is why I anticipate there is a huge correction and also based on the weekly chart, okay? Here is a uptrend trend line, okay? If it brought down, we will see this zone in the green. So my first focus is to do long at this green zone, about 2001 until 2009, okay? So you can wait for this zone. As you can see, it's a demand zone. So you can wait for here until the conference appear, then we can do a long. Okay, this is the first forecast. The second forecast here is if it reaches these two areas, the first area is 2033 to 2036, you can do a short. Or if the price come to 2040 until 2043, you can do a short. So these are the three zones. Okay. So we'll see how the market move. I will update in the Telegram live, and I also do live chat if there is any chance. Okay, as I announced, I'll be quite busy in the upcoming week, so there will be less live chat, but it's okay. Anything I'll update live in the Telegram. So this could be a potentially chance to do a long thread. Here is a scalping thread. If it hits the trend line and there's a confluence, then we can do for a long lah, but we will see how the market react by then. Alright, that's all for this week update. I hope you follow through and share this video and subscribe, and let us conquer the market next week. Thank you everyone. I will update in the Telegram channel. Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out. The link is in the description below.